दे दी हमें आजादी बिना खड़ग बिना ढाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। आंधी में भी चलती रही गांधी की दी मशाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। रघुपति राघव राजा राम। Good morning, students. Today, nation pays respect to two great sons of Mother India. They are Mahatma Gandhi and Lal Bahadur Shastri. We pay our respect to these great souls today. Today, I'll tell you about life of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was popularly known as Bapu, and he was also called Mahatma because of his saintly acts and deeds. As you all know, this great man was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar, and his father Karamchand Gandhi was a Diwan of Porbandar and Rajkot. Gandhiji's mother was Putli Bai. Gandhiji was married to Kasturba. Gandhiji completed his education from London and he was barrister at law. That means he was a lawyer. He was truth-loving and anti-colonial nationalist. After the death of Bal Gangadhar Tilak, he took over the national leadership of nationalistic movements. He was against the British rule and he opted for non-violence as his weapon. The India struggle movement for independence and this era between 1920 to 1947, this era is known as Gandhian era, and itself it speaks of his contribution to Indian freedom struggle. He always propagated Satya, Ahimsa, Swadeshi and non-violence. Children, you all know about Gandhiji's contribution to India's freedom struggle. But today, I would like to tell you about his different aspects. And that different aspect of his personality is his thoughts on education. Do you know, children, Gandhiji was an educationist. He experimented his educational philosophy while he was in South Africa. Phoenix Settlement, Tolstoy Farm were the outcomes of his educational experiments there. In India, he started Vardha scheme of education wherein he gave importance to head, heart and hand. He always said head to think, hand to work and heart to feel. That was his education philosophy. What is Gandhiji's contribution towards education is clearly respected by one and all, as we have a separate thinking pattern known as Gandhian philosophy in our postgraduate courses even today, and which itself speaks of his greatness and his ideology. Children, remember that great people are not born, they are made by hard efforts. In his autobiography, that is My Experiments with Truth, Gandhiji has confessed few mistakes he committed in the childhood, but then how he rectified them, and by hard efforts and restraint he attained the title of Mahatma. Remember that Mahatma is not born, but it is made, and such is the greatness of Mahatma Gandhi. Today, on this occasion of his birth anniversary, let's pay our respect to this great soul of Mother India.